Assalamu alaikum, welcome and karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today we are going to make something very simple yet so delicious, and this is chicken Afghani, and this is my twist on this recipe. So I had peeled 2 large white onions, but as you can see my food processor jug could not fit all that, so I used maybe 1/3, and then some fresh mint, as well as some fresh ginger. As you can see, some fresh garlic over there, and green chilies. I used 2, that was enough for me. You can use 1 or you can use 10, however you like. And then some cilantro, all right? And after that, I added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay. And then I gave it a pulse just to allow to get some room. And after that, I added 1 cup of plain thick yogurt. Now, if you do not have enough room or you have a small food processor, then you don't have to blend the yogurt together. You can always mix it with the later, all right? And then I blended that just to get a mixture going on. And then I added the cashew nuts. This is about 1/2 cup of cashew nuts that have been soaked in warm water. Yeah, just because I didn't have room, but you can blend all of it together. And if you don't like cashew nuts or you don't have, you can always use heavy cream, about 1/2 cup. So that's our mixture there. Now I'm going to add the spices, which is 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. That was finished. And 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and some salt. And I also added some dried fenugreek leaves, which is, if you don't have it, you don't have to worry about it. I really didn't see much difference. And the spices can always be adjusted to your liking. This was perfect for me, though my husband said it was a little bit too spicy for him. Then we're gonna add the salt. I tasted and I needed extra salt. And yeah, that's it. So I used about 1.5 pounds of leg and thighs. I did not use all the sauce, as you can see. All right. So I'm just going to marinate this for about an hour. Okay. So after 1 hour, now we are ready to cook. So I've used about 2 tablespoons of ghee. And once it's heated up, we're going to place the chicken. Like I mentioned, I use leg and thighs. You can use any part of chicken that you want. So we're just going to sear this for about 4 minutes on each side, just to get that beautiful brown color, okay? Golden brown, all right? And you need to be careful because the masalas also tend to stick in the pan, all right? So 4 minutes on each side, and now I'm ready to get it out. And I'm just going to put it away. Now I'm ready to cook all the sauce that I had. This was the balance and this is the balance from the chicken marinade, okay? So I'm just going to cook it all together on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, okay? Then after 5 minutes, I place the chicken back because I want the chicken to be cooked, all right, because we just seared it. And yeah, it's as simple as you can see, but it's really flavorful. Then I covered it, let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. And you know that your sauce is cooked once you see it has separated. You see the fat has separated. We know that the sauce is cooked, but we need to cook the chicken further. So now I cooked it again for another 7 minutes uncovered. And want to taste if you need any more salt or anything else. And now our chicken is ready. I am going to smoke this. That is a charcoal there, that in my foil container. And I added some ghee. And we're going to cover this for about 5 minutes to get all that smoky flavor in the chicken. This is so delicious, you guys. So now we are ready to serve. Now you can serve this with anything that you like. And do not forget to visit the description box and get all the ingredients and the measurements that I have used in this recipe. You can serve this with anything that you like. We served it with Afghani jeera rice. They call it chaloa. I will share it with you guys, inshallah, in my next video. Until then, you all have a nice day, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, we're going to garnish this with some cilantro and a green chili. And this is our beautiful meal. Thank you. Bye-bye.